Okay, let me use my. Can everyone hear me clearly? Can someone give me a hint, please, if they can hear me clearly? Okay, let me use my. I can hear myself. Can everyone hear me clearly? Okay, let me use my. I can hear myself, so let me lower my. Can everyone hear me clearly? Let me lower my phone volume, so I guess we can hear ourselves now. Right, so I'm going to repeat it like I was saying. Rabbit baby care really starts from birth, from when the rabbits are born, when the babies are born. From when the mother is pregnant, that is when the baby care actually starts. Because as soon as the baby start forming in the mother's womb, you realize that the baby is feeding from the placenta of the mother. This is a little bit of biology. So in humans, if we compare it to humans, you realize that if a mother is pregnancy and they are not eating the right nutritious food and not drinking the right stuff, they may end up having complications with pregnancy. And sometimes the babies that are born are affected by whatever the mother does. Therefore, it's important that that the fun begin, or looking after the pregnancy is the beginning of looking after the babies. So just saying. Now let's look at from birth. From birth, what happened from birth? Rabbit is born bald, as in they don't have any fur on their skin. They don't have any they don't have any fur. They don't have any. They can't hear. They're deaf, and therefore it is important that the rabbit is protected. The babies are protected right from birth. So, what can we do as farmers, as rabbit keepers? Right. In order for us to give the rabbit babies or the rabbit kids the best life, we have to look after mommy first. Once you look after mommy, that's half the job done. And if you're able to do that very well, you don't have to worry about anything else. You just have to go on and do what you have to do. But there are some few things. Depending on what weather you are in, you have to make sure that these babies we are looking at are where they are being kept is warm enough, is damp proof, there is no water access there, they're not directly on the sun for Africa, whereas for Europe we are looking at the rabbits not being in direct wind or the cold. Usually the mother does very well to keep the babies insulated by creating a very comfortable nesting area where she gives birth. So there is not so much we can do, but we still have to do a little bit in order to ensure that rabbits are well looked after during this time. Why did I choose this topic? Because a lot of people come online to. I've seen a lot of the groups, Facebook groups, a lot of people talking about their babies not surviving, their babies dying slowly and stuff like that. So I thought I could open this conversation for all of us to have that conversation. So, right. So from birth to 4 weeks, the first week, the rabbits are able to grow fur to cover their whole body, and that's number one. And between 10 and 12 days, the eyes will open, which means rabbits will start seeing what's going on in their environment. Their ears will also open, which means they will start hearing noise and sound. So the first 2 weeks is critical because they don't see anything. The only thing they see is vibration and movement. So what you can see there, their eyes is open. When their eyes is not open, they go by instinct. They feel any vibration or any movement and they want to see whether mommy is in to feed them. So that's what they depend on. But when the eyes open and they've got fur, that is when they all start thinking, oh, I'm actually hungry, so why don't look for where mommy is to go and go and get food. Why do they sometimes, why is it sometimes dangerous? Why is it sometimes dangerous for these rabbit kids? It is dangerous. Hang on a minute, stop. I don't know why. I don't know whether I have a problem with my streaming, but it keeps stopping and starting. I don't know why. Let's see. My streaming keep stopping and starting. Can anyone hear me? Oh, to stop, why?